Well, guys, we are officially back. And as you can see, Gilbert's in the house, and we are starting again on the new project. Thank you guys for following us along. To our new subscribers, welcome. And let me flip you guys around, let you guys know what we are working on now. Say hi. As you can see, we got some familiar faces in the house. And we are going to start working on the tow truck. We got Gilbert in the house.
Hello.
Fender wheels are coming off. He knocked this one out already. We're working on this one. We're going to start cleaning up the whole engine bay. And we are going to go LS swap on the tow truck. We had posted it up a few weeks ago, if you guys remember, if you guys were here. But I posted it up on, should we work on this one or should we work on that one? This one got, I think it was 33 votes, and that one got like 80 something votes. So looks like everybody wants to see LS swaps, and to be completely honest with you, so do I. So we started right now. We just got a lot of cleaning to do back here. Just rolled it up over there so we could pressure wash it and get all that junk out of here. But this is gonna be one cool looking truck. I'm gonna get some nicer shots, see if we get some stuff out of here. But it's time to get to work. September, when is the C10 Taco? September 20th. Today is May. Today, what's today, Wade?
Huh?
What's today? The 29th? May 29th. So, May 29th is the official start date. We did flip the back, so that's already done. That was in a previous video. But we're gonna start cleaning up this engine bay. It doesn't have a wiring harness, so we're going to be doing a wire harness. We're going to do the LS swap, and we're going to do the interior. It doesn't have a harness inside either, so we're going to be doing a full wiring job on the truck, engine, and interior. So I'm going to start working on this. I'm gonna give him a hand, and I'll get you guys set up on the stand, and we'll start on project. We ain't even got a name for it yet, so we're just gonna call it Project Tow Truck for now. Get our stand. was that? We weren't able to get everything off because this thing, honestly, I don't think it's seen a oil change in I don't know how many years, but this thing is caked on. But Gilbert is going to bring a pressure washer from his job. He's a diesel mechanic. He works as a mechanic, and they have a heated trailer pressure washer, and he said that thing will take it off, no problem. So we're gonna leave it like that. I'll turn you guys around real quick, and I need to get some feedback from you guys. So we got this thing pushed back over here. We're gonna call this day 2 because the first day we worked was on the flip kit back there. But my question to you guys is, because we'll get here eventually, we're nowhere near the time for it now, but what color interior would look good on this truck? It currently has a black seat. It doesn't seem to be in that bad of a shape. I wouldn't say it's original, or maybe it's been reupholstered, but it's black and it's dirty. But I was kind of thinking, what if we do like a blue interior? I don't know yet, but I definitely don't want to do a tan, because my other truck has like a tan, brownish, or maybe a light tan, almost kind of like how it would look like this box, maybe like a real light color tan, maybe. I'm not sure, but let me know down below what you guys think. And today was just a get down and dirty and take some grease off. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to record every single day because we will eventually run out of time, and time is going fast. Like I mentioned, today is May the 29th. The show is September the 20th. So you guys are a lot quicker than math than I am. Let me know how many days we got. But we need to write down a list of everything we need to do. But the bumpers need to be cut off, exhaust needs to be put on, motor needs to go on, the grill needs to go on. There's no brakes, there's no master cylinder in there. The steering column needs to be addressed. It looks like it has some parts that's missing. So we got a long way to go. But if you guys can see, this is one cool looking truck, and I think once it hits the road, man, I'll tell you what, it should turn some heads. So September 20th, Kern County C10, Bakersfield, California, Kern County C10 and tacos. This truck will be there, and I will be there. My friend Gilbert, Second Chance Trucks, will be there. Mr. Miyagi will be there. And a quick update on Mr. Miyagi. Our entry to C10 Slowdown came in the mail. Shout out to Slowdown out there with Paul in Avila Beach. I'll see if I can find the flyer to that thing. I think it's July the 27th, which is a Saturday. I think that's the only day I'd be able to go. I think this year it's a Friday, Saturday. Don't quote me on that, but I think it is. And Mr. Miyagi will be over there. So that is a huge show. I highly suggest that if you're in the California area and you're willing to take a little drive, that show is amazing. Tons of trucks, beautiful place. It's right by the beach. So that's it for this time. Thank you guys for watching, and we're going to continue with this build, and I hope you follow us all the way through. Until next time, catch you guys on the flip side.
Square body builders, that's the name. Fueling passion, igniting flame. Backyard hustle, grinding hard, turning rust into works of art.